Hey guys, what's happening? Last year, you guys probably remember me building these tool racks or power drills rack, and then redoing the back wall. Well, this year we need to really fix this toolbox. Yeah, I can't find anything in these anymore. Became a catch for all. I mean, even this drawer is getting ridiculous. So, today's project is, I guess, see how far we can get by taking everything out of these drawers and try to organize everything. Stuff we can hang, we're going to set aside. Stuff we can't, we're going to put back in the drawer. We're going to try to reorganize this toolbox. Figured that'd be a pretty good video. Finish what I started on YouTube. So I got all my pens up here. Let's skip this drawer. And let's go down to this drawer. Scissors. Something I'll talk about in the future. Stopper for gun. Air crap that can go out of this box. Drywall tools. Let's see. That goes in that. That goes in there. Electrical goes in there. Bulbs all the way up here so they don't get broke. Air chucks, bits, cream hardener, that goes in the top drawer for now, pens, here. Yeah, I might actually get something today, guys. Why? Now that is storage drawers dead. Oh, let's see. Can I make enough room? Alright, I'll worry about those two bottoms later. So, what we want to do, so I like to keep this top drawer specifically for specialty drill bits. It's like these Irwins. And JB Weld and pens. So we gotta worry about that later. Let's put tape measures in this drawer. Tape measures, zip ties. Chisels. And in the future we'll build some stuff to hold the chisels in. Knife can go in here. more zip ties. Now the chisel can go in there. Come on, Chatterbox. Granny, quit being needy. I want to hear it. You don't need me every 2 seconds of the day. No. No. So I came out here to do work. Away from you. Okay. See, chisels, tape measures. Granny, stop! See, drywall saws can go in here. Okay. Next work down would be, again, for all the metal cutters. Somehow I'm missing half of them. Don't surprise me none. Pop rivet gun, guns, pop rivet tool, okay, the pop rivets are in there. Let's see, need all files. You don't need me all the time, Granny. Wait! You don't need me all the time. Doofus, get down! Alright, this is why I can't get no work done. Because of Screamy Meanie and Doofus. And then Mother just laying in the drawer. Alright guys. Come back. Okay, so we're working files. Okay. Files. Go away. Classic. Don't need it no more. Basic files, tin cutters, goes in that drawer. This drawer will go with all this, putty knives and bottle knives. All my torques. Come on, Bob. Come on, Bob. Come on. That's where we gotta get. Really, Bob? You really gotta do this to me today? Half inch, 3/8. Half inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive. Are you hungry? All right. Let's get rid of these junk rails. Okay. See, T15, T20, T30, 40, 50, 45. T25. Yeah, go. Okay. Crap. Suckers longer than I thought they were. And by the way, guys, 19 millimeter square drive. Oh, some big boys. Six point, or stars, I should say. Well, I'm out, Bob. Why you guys gotta hound me when I'm out? And for the T's, I got 55 and 60 on the rail. Guys, leave me alone. Go, leave me alone then. And then you guys never know when you need a set of these. Leave me alone, Granny. Down in there. that up there, just for now. These are my file handles. Drill lawnmower blade, I guess it goes down in that for now. That goes up there for now. Make this drawer for all the brushes. Granny, stop! Life ain't that bad. Throw all those down in there so I don't lose them. These are spade bits, what's left of them. Then go out here with the drills, bits. Let's throw those down there. Need a way to organize all these saw blades. If I even keep the saw blade in that drawer. Granny, leave me alone. All my accessory can go in this drawer with this kid. I don't know how this accessory works in this drawer. I guess it just sits there and yells at you. Granny, hush! Hey, quit throwing my stuff off on the floor, dude. Granny, stop. Just for now, it could go in the drawer and then we'll do a video for organization on it. They are 1/4 inch shanks, so yeah, they'll work as 1/4 inch shanks. My grease zerks can go down here. Are you guys trying to cut yourself up? Sanding stuff can go down in here. Vinyl stuff goes up here in this drawer. Fuel line stuff can go up here. What is this? My easy out? Yeah, my box tractor. And for now, sit in that drawer. My saw stuff can go down here too. I don't know where to put this OVD scanner thing at. I guess over here. That. Go up that drawer. Key stock. And reorganize that drawer anyways. Stuff for my lawnmower. Now to go down that drawer. More of my lawnmower stuff. No zip tie. And a few more. Okay. Soldering paste. toolbox. Go down in that drawer. Kid, why? Well, this is about as far as I got until the kids start driving me nuts. I had to build a holder for all these shanks. Didn't even know I had all those in here. My wire brush, holder. We're gonna put them in a holder and put them up on the wall. These I'm not going to. All the tools for the things are not going up. I got to find a better system for all these saw blades. So I got that taken care of. This looks a lot better. So I got all my star bit drives here. Everything I need is right here. Now it's organized. May not stay like this. I may move them. I don't really know yet. I mean, this toolbox is still in the organization state. I gotta move all this fuel stuff, fuel and brake line stuff out of here. But for right now, it could stay. I still got this drawer to go through. Got all my files a lot nicer now. I just got to get through. Granny, stop! I just got to get through and find the rest of these. My shear cutters. This drawer looks a lot better. I got all my zip ties up in one corner. so now I can get them better. Chisels, the junk dull ones I don't care about, that I can use to beat on. My good ones, yeah, I know they said DeWalt, but I can't sneeze a set of 3 for $5. So that's why I have them. Tape measures, chalk line, you know, stuff like that's up in here. Then we still got to figure out what we're going to do with this heap of mess up here. And then we got to get through and go through this top of this toolbox again. Sounds fun. So yeah, a lot of fun here going through this toolbox. Oh, and before I end this video, I bet you 90% of you guys will not know what this tool is. And the only one I think will know what this tool is Zipple. Here, let me set you guys up. Zipple will be the only one who knows what this tool is. He might not even be old enough to know what this tool is. There's all your dies. What I like to do is do a restoration on this. Yeah. There's a tool for you guys. Figure out what it is. That's the bonus question of the week. What that tool is. I have another one sitting up there, but that's for next week. Alright, I'm going to catch you guys later. Oh, and this is all the garbage I took out of the toolbox. Because this goes down in that drawer when I get it cleaned up. Because if you can't tell, the more cleaning I do, the more tools I get. I don't know how that happens. I mean, the ratchet's the only thing that I haven't bought much, except for one new one. That's a spoiler alert. But other than that, pliers, what to do on a plier drawer, I don't know yet. I haven't figured that out yet. So yeah, and then we got to figure out what we're going to do with. We got to get this top drawer figured out. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet. Things might change for this top drawer. Might take all the stenches and put in this deep drawer. I don't know yet. Still working on that problem. So there's a lot of different types of extension bars. Granny, if you don't stop, I'm gonna break. So yeah, I know today's video is kind of boring, but it's all I have to do because I can't do anything. Because obviously you guys can see that these freaking idiots are always up my butt and crying at me. And another video I want to get done too, I want to get a holder built for these taps. That'd be a kind of a cool project to do. So, because I have taps in here too. But these are my recent buy. These are tap and drill. So yeah, I am getting back to organization again slowly. It's just taking time. I mean, I don't know what to do for this drawer or that drawer. I mean, this drawer is about the only one that's semi-organized. This is all my electrical crap, and this is all my brake tools. So yeah, brake and fuel. Those should be on the back side. So yeah, now I got a junk drawer, another junk drawer, screwdrivers, specialty drives, nut drivers, some more specialty stuff that don't really want to get lost, a cat. I don't know how to use this thing. I think it's a cat, but it might be a new tool for a car. This might be the new tool for these new cars to get up in tight locations. Just give them a ratchet. And then I got a couple other tools in my old school scanner. So yeah, still got a lot of work to do. And then I got to also figure out what I'm going to do with all my extensions. So, yep. Catch you guys later then. Peace out. Have fun.